Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you cook a perfect filet mignon in a cast iron skillet. First, gently pat your filet mignon completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that beautiful crust. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper, ensuring full coverage. Let your steaks rest at room temperature for around 30 minutes before they hit the pan. This step promotes even cooking throughout the entire cut. Place your cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and allow it to preheat for several minutes, until it just begins to smoke faintly. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed, and swirl it around to coat the bottom. Carefully place your filet mignon into the hot pan. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, developing a rich, deep brown crust. Reduce the heat to medium-low, then add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme or rosemary to the pan. Tilt the skillet slightly and continuously spoon the melted, aromatic butter over the steaks for 2 to 4 minutes. Use a reliable meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium-rare doneness. Once your filet mignon reaches the desired internal temperature, immediately transfer it to a clean cutting board. It is crucial to allow the meat to rest properly after cooking. Loosely tent the steaks with a piece of aluminum foil, which helps to keep them warm while preventing overcooking. This essential resting period, lasting 5 to 10 minutes, allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and incredibly flavorful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.